So your car's not looking quite as good as it used to, and you'd like to dedicate some extra time detailing the paint to get it looking its best. You have done your research and you've decided you want to do a multi-step system by hand. It is possible to get great results using a compound, polish, or wax by hand, and the process isn't extremely complicated as long as you use the right products, clean premium accessories, and the right technique. So, how do you apply compound, polish, and wax by hand? Start off by washing your car with a premium car wash that's pH balanced to remove any loose contaminants from the surface. Then, you want to evaluate your paint to determine if there are above surface contaminants. After washing and drying, run your clean, dry fingertips over the paint. If the paint feels rough to the touch, this tells us there are above surface contaminants bonded on top of the paint. It's important to remove these contaminants in order to get best results possible. Anyone can easily remove above surface contaminants with one of our Meguiar's consumer clay kits, like Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit. If your paint already feels completely smooth, skip this step and move on to compounding. For this step, visually inspect your paint with proper lighting for below surface defects like swirls, scratches, oxidation, and stains. If you have light to moderate below surface defects, the use of a swirl and scratch remover or a clear coat safe compound can work to remove them. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is the perfect way to remove defects in the paint without hazing or marring the surface like a traditional compound. When working by hand to apply a compound, we recommend using a clean foam wax applicator pad like a Meguiar's soft foam applicator pad. Dispense a small amount of Ultimate Compound directly on the pad. With light to moderate pressure, work a 2 foot by 2 foot section for about 1 to 2 minutes in an overlapping pattern. Be sure to apply even pressure over the pad to avoid pressing down in a concentrated area with your fingertips. Wipe the remaining residue off before it dries with a fresh, clean Meguiar Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Then, turn the towel over to a clean side for your final wipe. Reapply as needed, working in sections over the entire vehicle. Once you remove the below surface paint defects, the next step is to polish, especially if you're going for the best results. Using a polish further refines the paint surface and adds polishing oils to give your paint maximum gloss and depth of shine. This is an optional step that will enhance depth of shine on any color, but it's most effective on darker and more brilliant colors. One of the best polishes is Meguiar's Ultimate Polish Pre-Waxing Glaze. To apply Ultimate Polish by hand, we recommend using a clean foam applicator pad like a Meguiar soft foam applicator pad. Dispense a small amount directly on the pad, apply to a 2 foot by 2 foot section at a time using light to moderate pressure in a circular pattern, making 4 to 6 overlapping passes per section. Wipe off immediately before it dries with a fresh, clean Meguiar Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Then, turn your towel to a clean portion for the final wipe. Work in sections like this over the entire vehicle. Applying a coat of wax protection after you've prepared the paint with a compound and polish will help preserve the work you've done and keep that paint looking better for longer. In addition, wax provides significant protection against the elements in the environment, added gloss, and that all-important water beading action, which can help your car stay cleaner and makes washing and maintaining easier. One of Meguiar's best and longest lasting protection options is Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. It's easy to use, offers a brilliant depth of shine, and leaves behind a durable polymer protection. Another great option is Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax. Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax utilizes Meguiar's latest cutting-edge chemistry and is one of our most durable, longest-lasting, and most extreme water-beading waxes we offer. Apply either product with a soft foam applicator pad and spread a thin, even coat to a section. Allow to cure 3 to 5 minutes and then remove with a fresh, clean Meguiar Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Turn to a clean portion of the towel for a final wipe. Work in sections until you finish the entire vehicle. And there you have it. With the right products, accessories, and techniques, you can get amazing results doing a multi-step system, and you don't have to use a machine.